France holds a couple of records for the AE Fisheries team that we're yet to beat. Our biggest ever haul landed in a single sweep. We estimated 4,000 kilos of fish in this net. It's also where we set our record for the biggest ever carp that we've caught netting. This carp from the winter of 2017 was weighing in at 86 pounds.
Just over 8.
It still stands as our record to date. So every time we head back to France, we're naturally filled with anticipation of what we might find. And in October, we were making our way back there once again.
That's on 0 now. Deliberately. This is when we actually don't like giving them miles. Yeah, they go down. Yeah, nice. You just go for round numbers. Yeah, 27. The West Midlands thing, we always put a bit on.
They're looking good health, aren't they, Andy?
There wasn't a lot of fish up there anyway, so definitely down this area.
Because all I'm thinking of is if we're not going to drag the nets through again, we can just do exactly what we did up there, can't we? Weigh them and just chuck them back in.
Yeah, let's wait. I mean, we've got a long way to go yet, but if it comes in, it's fine. We can put them back. We'll soon tell you. Like if I start cutting the lead line and it starts getting caught on all the rocks and stuff, we'll reassess it. But if not, I've got another net. We can set a pen up. Don't worry. Do whatever you want, really. They're like a dinosaur.
They're like 100 million years old or something.
Long time these big ones.
It's always great to see so many carp in such great condition, but our job is to correct the population balance to keep them looking that way. We get just as excited when we find fish that we can remove. Having caught plenty of carp and made some space for them, we packed away for day 1 and prepared for day 2. On day 2, we were welcomed by a Tang Rouge with a breakfast and a taste of what we might find with the day ahead of us. With the same goal as always, we got to work.
A great big bushy beard.
Netting 2 small pools in 2 days was nice, but they felt like our warm-up for a far bigger expanse of water that was waiting for us on day 3, Lac Serrière.
It's stunning. Beautiful birds.
Our challenge for day 4 was Forest View Fishery. We were well aware of the underwater tree stumps in this pool from previous visits. These open water submerged snags make Forest View a challenge at the best of times, let alone when the water level can't be dropped any more than a few feet. Lake owners in France are actually obliged to drain their lakes every 4 years or so, although much like the UK, France have had many months of heavy rainfall, so draining was barely possible, let alone authorised. But what I love about these French waters is that they're all designed so that they're drainable, so that they fit in with this obligation for draining their lakes, which makes them perfect for fishery management, because by draining lakes, it makes the population management much easier. Then we are on to the final job before the long journey back home. Golden Oaks Fishery. We had no idea what to expect, having never been to this one before, but the job was the same: remove silvers from a carp lake. These are pumpkin seeds. They're very widespread across Europe and can be found in some UK still waters, but they're a pretty rare sight at home. They're a freshwater species which originate from North America and have established themselves in the wild via the aquatics trade. The French fish dealers pay for unwanted fish by the pound, but they don't want these pumpkin seeds. That's why they're careful in picking them out, so that they're not paying the fishery owner for nuisance invaders. All I ask is that you support the BP Milling YouTube channel with a single click of the subscribe button. We're a channel all about helping fishery businesses by sharing our knowledge in fishery science and our many years experience in fishery consultancy. There's something to learn in every single upload and you can access it all for free. We'll catch you on the next one.